Hello, lovely people of the internet. Welcome to the Weather Experience YouTube channel, hosted by your weather enthusiast, Spencer. Today is Saturday, May 23rd, 2020. Today, severe weather is currently ongoing throughout the Midwest, prompting the National Weather Service to issue a tornado watch for parts of northern Illinois, northeastern Iowa, southern Wisconsin, and northwestern Indiana until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time or 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time tonight. These thunderstorms are capable of producing tornadoes, hail, and heavy rain at times. Alongside the severe weather across the northern Illinois region, a severe thunderstorm watch is currently in effect for parts of southwestern Texas until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time tonight. But this isn't the only severe thunderstorm watch that is currently in effect. Another severe thunderstorm watch is currently in effect for parts of western South Dakota, eastern Wyoming, and western Nebraska until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. We have a lot of weather going on today, so let's get into it. So first, let's currently take a look at the current severe warnings that are currently in effect for the northern Illinois region. Now, as you can see, there are a few severe thunderstorm warnings here outlined in yellow, affecting parts of Rockford and Winnebago County and north central Ogle. And this severe thunderstorm warning goes into effect until, let's see here, 3:30 p.m. And there's another severe thunderstorm warning affecting western Ogle County in north central Illinois until 3:30 p.m. And then down towards the Aurora area, there's a severe thunderstorm warning that remains in effect until 3:15 p.m. for southwestern Kendall and northern Grundy counties until 3:15. Now, if we move on to the tornado warnings, there's a tornado warning that is currently in effect for Joe Davies and north central Jackson counties until 3:15 p.m. This severe thunderstorm is capable of producing a tornado. So people should definitely be taking shelter. There's also currently a tornado warning in effect for northeastern Whiteside and southeastern Carroll counties until 3:15 p.m. A confirmed tornado was located near this city, or 9 miles north of Sterling, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. So the hazard includes a damaging tornado and quarter-size hail. Again, the source is weather spotters confirmed this tornado. And then there's one more tornado warning that's currently in effect for eastern Livingston County in central Illinois until 3:30 p.m. A severe thunderstorm is capable of producing a tornado that is currently located over Pontiac, moving east at 25 miles per hour. So the hazard is tornado and half dollar size hail, and the source is radar indicated rotation. So that's some good news, as this tornado warning for the Pontiac area is not confirmed as of right now. Alright, next let's currently take a look at the severe warnings in effect for Texas. So here we have a severe thunderstorm warning that's currently in effect for northwestern Brewster County and southwestern Texas until 3:45 p.m. Hazard is 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This next severe thunderstorm warning is in effect, and it's capable of producing damaging winds up to 70 miles per hour and a tornado or two. And this severe thunderstorm warning is currently in effect for central Pasos County and southwestern Texas until 3:45 p.m. The hazard is 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half dollar size hail. So after moving on from Texas, we'll currently talk about the severe thunderstorm warnings in effect for parts of South Dakota. Alright, so when talking about South Dakota, there's currently 3 severe thunderstorm warnings that are currently in effect. So let's talk about them. So this one, there is a severe thunderstorm warning for western Lawrence and central Crook counties until 2:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. Hazard is quarter-size hail. Then this severe thunderstorm warning is currently in effect for southeastern Butte County and northwestern South Dakota and west central this county in west central South Dakota until 2:30 p.m. And then lastly, there's another severe thunderstorm warning in effect for again this county, and then east central Pennington County and west central South Dakota until 2:45 p.m. with 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Alright, so next I decided we would currently look at the current lightning that's going on across the world. So right now there's about 343 lightning strikes per minute. So if we zoom in towards the United States, you can see there's some pretty electrifying storms for the severe thunderstorm warned storms in South Dakota, northern Illinois region, as well as Indiana, where there's also some severe thunderstorms going on, and then Texas, where there's some severe thunderstorm warned storms, and then Louisiana and Mississippi and Alabama look to be hot spots as well right now. So let's zoom in to northern Illinois region. So all these current circles that are getting bigger in size are like the thunder, where you would hear the thunder, and the dots are where the lightning strikes are. So currently there's about 76 strikes per minute for the northern Illinois region. If we move over to South Dakota, right now there's about 11 strikes per minute in this region that is shown, so not too electric right now. If you move down towards southwestern Texas, there's about 15 strikes per minute. If we move over towards these electrifying storms in Louisiana, there's about 206 strikes per minute in this region shown right now. One of the next topics I want to talk about today is the Day 1 Convective Outlook, which is issued by NOAA's National Weather Service, the Storm Prediction Center, or SPC. So today, currently, you can see there's a slight risk from North Dakota to about Nebraska. There's also a slight risk from southwestern Texas up through like northwestern parts of Oklahoma. And there's also a slight risk for portions of Iowa, Wisconsin, Indiana, and Illinois, as well as an enhanced risk for parts of northern Illinois and eastern Iowa. And so here are some of the cities that are currently in these zones that are impacted in the populations. So when you add up all the populations, I got a total of 42.7 million people are currently impacted by severe weather today. So the summary is scattered severe thunderstorms, some with tornadoes, will cross parts of eastern Iowa, northern Illinois, and southwestern Wisconsin from midday through this afternoon. Thunderstorms with very large hail and severe winds will affect parts of the northern and southern Great Plains. So one of the last things that I want to look at today is the current satellite picture courtesy of College of DuPage. So let's take a look at it. So you can see right now there's the thunderstorms that are firing up in Indiana and the northern Illinois region, as well as South Dakota and southwestern Texas. So let's start with the southwestern Texas storms. So once this loads, see these thunderstorms are firing up. And usually when you see like this area of a thunderstorm on top, it's usually called like the echo tops or the overshooting tops. If we go here, we can put on the composite radar, and you can see the red indicates very heavy rain. Orange is like moderate heavy rain, and then green is just precipitation or like light rain. We can also turn on the GLM flashes for lightning, so you can see there's some lightning displayed by the pluses for positive strikes. Alright, so next, let's move on to northern Illinois. So once this loads up, oh wow, so some supercells are currently going on as indicated by like a V shape. Let's take off the composite radar real quick. You can see here's just the thunderstorms and then a ton of lightning being produced with these storms. So definitely want to stay out of harm's way. Now let's go to South Dakota. So let's let this load for a sec. You can see there's not a whole lot of lightning like I talked about earlier, but you can see the thunderstorms that are currently firing up at this time. So we've come to the end of the video for today, and I want to thank you for joining me. And here I thought we would end by looking at a current map of all the severe warnings currently going on in the United States. And there's currently 17 severe thunderstorm warnings that are in effect, as well as 4 tornado warnings that are currently in effect. And Illinois seems to be leading the severe weather right now with 8 current warnings in effect. Thank you for watching.